Hello, Fifth Hour. How you guys doing? I don't have a ton new to talk about this week. We're just going to continue with review, but I did want to go through the expectations for the week. Recording this during the day, so I'm not in my dark basement any longer. If you're watching this on Monday, you have the Period 3 worksheet over Washington and Adams due today. I think there's also a big picture of Period 3 on that one as well. Tuesdays are DBQ due days from now on, or at least until the test. So you have the DBQ on the ideas about American independence due Tuesday, and then Wednesday, period 4 will be due. That's Jefferson and the Market Revolution, and Thursday, the other period 4 worksheet, Jacksonian democracy and reforms, and then the following Monday, we're into May. That will be, I want to say that's period 5 with manifest destiny and sectionalism. New DBQ that will be due next Tuesday is over period 4. It's evaluate the extent to which economic, social, and political developments in the period of 1800 to 1844, that's period 4, fostered change in America. That's another 5 doc DBQ. You've got a couple with Jefferson. There's a photograph from one of the revival meetings. I think there's a James Monroe doc in there, and then a political cartoon, which was in one of the AP review videos on Andrew Jackson, where he's dressed as a king and he's using his veto power and stepping on the Constitution. So let me know how the AP Live review videos are. There's no discussion board this week. You guys have plenty to do. Let me know if you're running into problems, if time, if it's too much. We can be lenient on some of those due dates, but you have to communicate that with me. Get that DBQ to me on time. Please, please, please type it if you can. It's a lot easier for me to grade it and get you feedback when it's typed versus me trying to read handwritten, scanned docs. So I hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.